I tried hard to make you want me, but we're not supposed to be. And the truth will always haunt me, even though it set me free. And my tears flow like the ocean as they floated in the breeze. They were falling in slow motion, and they brought me to my knees. Oh, you're haunting me, taunting me, all in my brain. Turn out the light and now all that remains fills me with doubt, and I'm shouting your name out loud. Why do you wanna put me through the pain? I get the feeling I'll never escape. I can hide away from the shame of you. Tears on the ground, tears on my pillow. You won't bring me down, and I'll get over you. These tears will get me through, and I'll get over you. Become so cruel, and if you want to cut me open, it says 1,000 words about you. And in time I know you'll leave me like a distant memory. I know love can be so easy if I stop by loving me. Oh, you're haunting me, taunting me, all in my brain. Turn out the light and now all that remains fills me with doubt, and I'm shouting your name out loud. Why do you wanna put me through the pain? I get the feeling I'll never escape. I can hide away from the shame of you. Whoa. Tears on the ground, tears on my pillow. You won't bring me down, I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Whoa. Tears on the ground, rain in my window, the pain washes out, and I'll get over you. These tears will get me through.